Your Degree Progress Report is an online tool that will help you see how your classes apply to the degree you are working toward and how many more you need to complete. Keep in mind that this is just a tool and does not take the place of regular communication with your advisor. In order for this tool to work correctly, you will need to verify your current program plan on file with EMCC. In order to do that, please log into your Student Center at www.my.maricopa.edu and select the Current Admissions tile. This will show you what degree you are listed under here and at all of the other Maricopa colleges that you are admitted to. You can update your program plan online or at the admissions counter if it's incorrect. Once you're sure that the plan is correct, return to your Student Center homepage and select the Academic Progress tile. Then, from the menu on the left, choose Degree Progress. Your report will run and you will be able to see how each class you've taken applies to your program. You will also see options for courses that fulfill each requirement that you've not yet met. You are usually free to choose from these courses, but remember that certain universities or transfer programs may require specific courses at this level, so always verify with your advisor to ensure that you are taking the correct courses.